Good old chili con carne. Ingredients: 2 medium onions, 2 cloves garlic, 2 medium carrots, 2 sticks celery, 2 red peppers, 1 heaped teaspoon of chili powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 heaped teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 400 grams tin of chickpeas, 1 400 grams tin of red kidney beans, 2 400 grams tin of chopped tomatoes, 500 grams of quality minced beef, olive oil, half a bunch of fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Peel and finely chop the onions, garlic, carrots and celery. Halve the red peppers and remove the stalks and seeds, then roughly chop. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large casserole pan on a medium-high heat. Add the chopped veg, chili powder, cumin, cinnamon and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for 7 minutes, or until softened and stirring regularly. Drain and add the chickpeas and kidney beans, dip in the tomatoes, breaking them up with the back of a spoon, then pour in 1 tin's worth of water. Add the minced beef, breaking any larger chunks. Pick apart the coriander leaves, then finely chop and add the stalks to the pan, with the balsamic vinegar. Season with a good pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Serve up with fluffy rice or couscous, a hunk of crusty bread, or over a jacket potato, with some yogurt, guacamole, and wedges of lime on the side for squeezing over. Sprinkle over the reserved coriander, and some fresh chili, if you like, then tuck in.